Hi there, this is Nicole from Right at Home, and today I'm going to show you a closer peek at the Forest Finding stamp set from the fall release. Here I'm starting with the little stump image that's included in the set, and it has a lot of different layers that you can use to create a kind of whimsical looking tree stump. All of the ink colors that I'm using will be listed in the description box below. Next I'm going to move on to the little pumpkin. And the body of the pumpkin has two different layers, and then it also has the top of the stem. This set also includes two different mushroom images, one that's a little bit smaller and then one that's taller. And you can play around with the ink colors that you use to get kind of a fun and quirky look. So on this one I used more traditional colors like yellow and red, and on this one I decided to go with different blue colors just to add some contrast when it's layered with the red one. There's also a cute little pinecone image, and I used two different shades of brown for the body, and then there's also a little leaf, and I stamped that in green. There's also a tiny layered leaf included in this set, and I decided to go with shades of purple to kind of contrast with the other colors that I was using, but you could stamp out a few of these and just scatter them around your card just to add some more color and dimension. The Forest Findings die set also includes a die of a heart, and the stamps for that can be found in the Critter Chat stamp set also from this release. I hope you enjoyed this closer peek at the Right at Home Forest Findings stamp and die set. Make sure to head over to rightathomeshop.com to download the coordinating stamping guide, and also to check out some of the other cute critter images that are included in this release. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!